Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I was explaining you the topic average and we have solved till question number 2 in exercise 70. So today we have to start the word problems. So I have to start from option number A. I will be reading the questions one by one and I will be explaining you all the questions. And if there are any problems, any difficulties, you can comment down in the comment section. Okay students? Now, question number A is, Meher ate 5 sweets on Monday, 4 sweets on Tuesday and 6 sweets on Wednesday. What is the average number of sweets she ate per day? Now all the students, it's your task to comment down the statement for option number A. What will be the first statement? The first statement will be number of sweets ate on Monday. Number of sweets ate on Monday. So how many sweets she has ate on Monday? She has ate 5 sweets. Now the next, number of sweets ate on Tuesday. So how many sweets she has ate on Tuesday? 4 sweets. Okay. Now the next will be number of sweets ate on Wednesday. So how many sweets she has ate on Wednesday? 6 sweets. Okay students, how many sweets she has ate? 6 sweets on Wednesday, right? Okay, I hope it is visible to you. Now, what is the average number of sweets she ate per day? So how many days are there in total? 1, 2, 3. So let me rub this and write down the next step. Average of sweets ate on all 3 days. So it will be 4 plus 6 plus 5 upon 3. Okay. So 4 plus 6 is 10, and if you write the numbers in ascending order, then the middle number will be the average. Here the first number was 4, second number was 6 and the third number, first number was 5 and second number was 4 and the third number was 6. So whenever you want to find out the average by the short trick, what you have to do, you have to arrange all the numbers in ascending orders. So ascending order, it will be 4, 5 and 6. So the middle number is 5 only. But as per the question I am writing like this, 5 plus 4 plus 6 upon 3. It is 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6 is 15 and 15 upon 3 is 5. So once you write all the numbers in ascending order, the middle number will be 5 only. So the average number of sweets she ate per day is, on all 3 days की जगह पे आप क्या कर लेंगे? You will write per day. She ate per day. Okay. So the average number of sweets which she has ate per day is equals to 5 sweets. How many sweets? 5 sweets. So I hope you must have understood this question, students. Now moving on to the next question. So the next question is option number B. John got 90 marks in his first test, 82 marks in his second test and 68 marks in his third test. Find his average marks. So now to find out the average of John by the short trick, what you have to do? If you know this, you can comment down in the comment section, students. Now the first statement of this question will be marks scored in first test. Marks scored in first test. So in first test, how much he has scored? He has scored 90 marks. The next statement will be marks scored in second test. Okay. So in the second test, how much he has scored? He has scored 82 marks. Now the third statement will be marks scored in third test. So in the third test, how much he has scored? 68 marks. Now to find out the average of the marks scored in 3 tests, what we have to do? What is the formula for average? Sum of observations upon number of observations, okay? So average score is equals to, so let me write the next statement. Average score is equals to 90 plus 82 plus 68 upon 3. And yes, if you want to find out the average by the short trick, what you have to do? Arrange all the numbers in ascending order and the middle number will be the average. If the numbers are in even number, that means if there are 4 numbers, then middle 2 numbers just add them and divide it by 2. So 90 plus 82 plus 68, right? So 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry will be there, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 6, it will be 240 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, 3 zeros are 0. So the average will be 80. The average score of John is 80 marks. One more thing students, the short trick will only follow in consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are continuous number. Like in the previous question it was 4, 5 and 6. Now in this question the numbers are not continuous. So if you will try to find out the average by the short trick, you will not be able to find out. Okay students? Now moving on to the third option, that is option number C. So option number C is, let me read the question for you. On a road trip, John and his family drove 270 km on the first day, 180 km on the second day and 250 km on the third day and 100 km on the fourth day. Find the average distance they traveled per day. So we have to write the statement first, and what will be the first statement students? The first statement will be distance covered on first day, that is 270 kilometers. Distance covered on second day, that is 180 kilometers. Distance covered on third day, that is 250 kilometers. Distance covered on fourth day, that is 100 kilometers. And at the end, average distance they traveled per day is equals to 270 plus 180 plus 250 plus 100 upon 4. This question is your homework. You have to do it on your own in your maths homework copy. Now moving on to the next option, that is option number D. Option number D is an ice cream vendor sold 55 ice creams on Thursday, 60 ice creams on Friday and 62 ice creams on Saturday, 43 ice creams on Sunday. What is the average number of ice creams he sold per day? Okay students, so again that is the same question. You will frame the statements on your own. Ice creams sold on Thursday is equals to 55, ice creams sold on Friday is equals to 60, ice creams sold on Saturday is equals to 62, ice creams sold on Sunday is equals to 43, and average number of ice creams sold per day is equals to 55 plus 60 plus 62 plus 43 upon 4. This question is also your homework. Do it on your own in your maths homework copy. Now only last question is remaining, that is E option. Following are the marks scored by 12 students of class 5 in mathematics. 80, 75, 94, 82, 77, 96, 91, 85, 79, 80, 85, 96. Find the average marks of these 12 students. Are the average marks above 80? How many students score more than the average marks? So first of all, what we have to do? The first option is to find out the average of 12 students, average score of the 12 students. So average marks or average score is equals to, we have to add all the numbers, 80 plus 75 plus 94 plus 82 plus 77 plus 96 plus 91 plus 85, then plus 79, plus 80, plus 85, plus 96, okay, upon 12. Okay students, since there are 12 numbers, 12 students have scored the marks, so it will be take a lot of time to calculate this. So the total, that means the sum of all the marks is 1020. Now 1020, I am rubbing this 1020 divided by 12, okay, to find out the average score. 1020 will be divided by 12. So 12 ones are, 12 eights are 96, and after that 6 will be remaining, so 12 fives are 60. So the average score is 85 marks. So we have done the first option of question number E. Now we have to do the second option. So the second option is, are the average marks above 80? So yes, the average marks are above 80, so you will write yes. Now the third option is, how many students scored more than the average marks? So you can look into the maths book and you have to check and how many students have scored more than the average marks. So you have to write down this answer on your own in your maths classwork copy. I hope you must have understood. In the next video, I will be explaining you about percentage and fractions. So till then, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care.